Now I'm going to create a behavior-based discovery schedule. Let me go to behavior now. Click new. Here I am going to name it SNMP only behavior. Save this page. Here we need to create new. Phase will be SNMP only behavior. Oh, sorry. Not phase is 1. Functionality definition would be SNMP only. Then mid server our as usual mid server. Let me submit this page. And I am going to create a new schedule, discovery schedule now. Router discovery with SNMP only behavior. Here only we need to put the specific used behavior. This SNMP only behavior, we should need to use it. Then we need to change this to V1, V2C. Let me save this. Then we need to provide this IP address in the quick ranges. Once it refreshed, the quick ranges got populated. Now I'm going to do the discover now. So if you see it, it won't be directly going into the WMI classify. It will directly classify only SNMP. So this scanning phase also scanning only SNMP. So our time is also getting saved while the discovery has been discovered. So let's wait for some time and let the discovery status got completed. So discovery status has been completed. Now you can see only the from this scanning phase to exploration phase. You can able to see the only SNMP has been involved in this discovery status. So the CMDB underscore CA also has been populated. So that's all today's video. Thank you for watching my video.